We're on the 20th floor. And look at this view. 20 floors up. Wow.
Watch out.
Viva Las Vegas.
Watch out, Vegas.
So here we are. You can see the sign there. This is the Westgate. The Westgate was actually started in Orlando, Florida at the Westgate of Disney World. That was a group of timeshare villas that kind of rolls over to this day, although they have a lot of other properties. Hi everybody, Chris and Amy here. You may have noticed that we've been on a long road trip. We went from Santa Monica to Adrian, Texas, and a little bit beyond on Route 66. You can find that playlist on our YouTube channel. About 35 of you have found it, so hopefully more can watch it and see it. It was a fun trip. But on our way home, we diverted from Route 66 and we went to
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Viva.
And we stayed at the Westgate Resort. And so we want to talk to you a little bit about the Westgate and our experience there. We're going to give you a resort tour, a room tour, and we're going to talk about the timeshare deal. So here's the room tour. Let's go in and have a little room tour. Hello.
Come on in.
All right.
I believe you're entering the Marilyn Monroe room.
The Marilyn Monroe room. Well, there's Elvis right there on the wall. And it says Hollywood over here. And this is the room. It's massive. I'm just going to look at this. Look at how big it is. All right. Oh, and she's measuring it in Amy feet. And look, there's an Oscar on the wall. And wow, this bed is incredible. Oh, super comfy. And there is a phone, even though nobody uses those anymore.
From there
And look at this charging station. That's incredible. So it's got a charging station there. And oh, here's Marilyn. So Marilyn's over here doing her thing. And oh, look at that. Look at all the things. Many drawers. There is not a microwave in here, but there is a little fridge, which is nice. And is it on?
It's on.
Okay. Massive mirror over here to get ready. There's a little safe in the closet there on a pedestal. Luggage rack. Extra towels already in the room. Extra blanket, which is nice. Here is the sink area with a makeup mirror. And towels out here. And here is the toileting room. And you got towels in there. And here is the shower. Well, nothing actually special to write home about, but it's nice. And that is the room. This was a major online deal. We got this online special with no resort fees and some extra perks kicked in. So, wow. We will show you around the resort, not just the room, but we'll show you what the Westgate is like.
That's so high.
And yeah, we'll carry on.
Okay, so Westgate used to be the International, which was where Elvis had his residency there for a long time. I don't know. You should look that up. But
like 600 and something shows sold out.
Huge deal. He stayed there. He had a suite there. It's got a lot of history with Elvis there. So that intrigued me. They do have a little tour that Elvis's half brother does. I don't know how much longer he'll do that, but it's only once a month, so we missed that.
Over here in the lobby, they have a case of Elvis photos and memorabilia. There's his gun holster. That's actual boots worn by the actual Elvis. And there's his ring, the taking care of business ring. some of his cufflinks and belt buckles. That is a piece of Elvis's hair. That is an actual piece of Elvis's hair from one of his haircuts. A watch he wore, there's a photo of him wearing it, and that is Elvis's gun. I'm not sure if that's the one he shot the TV with, but there it is. That's a record, one of his Sun records. That's All Right, Mama. And here's another pistol that Elvis owned, and his badge from when he was deputized.
So we didn't get to see the theater he performed in, but they do have a little smaller, like cabaret theater that had 2 shows in it, and we saw both of those.
Yeah, they really are leaning into the Elvis history. Of course, it's not the same hotel that hosted Elvis, but because the building held Elvis's residency, they're leaning into that. The theater, they've named the International Theater, and Barry Manilow is going to be playing in the International Theater. We missed him by 1 month. We are just 1 month shy of Barry Manilow's run of concerts here at the Westgate. Oh my gosh, look, they've got stuff, Amy. Look down here. Of course, there's a platinum record, a double platinum record. He's singing right there. And oh my gosh, look at this. It's a Copacabana shirt. And look over here. Come stand over here, Amy. Look at this. Her name was Lola. She was a showgirl. So our package included 4 tickets, so we could go to 2 shows at the Cabaret Theater. They had an Elvis tribute show. What did you think of it?
I loved it.
Now, famously, the Westgate Theater was home to Elvis's long-running show when this place was called the International. And tonight at the Cabaret Theater, there's a show called The King Comes Home. So we got tickets, but we can't video it, so see you on the other side.
I thought it was really fun. It was cheesy in the best way. And I really warmed up to the guy that played Elvis. He got me like midway through. He started cracking some jokes. Towards the end, he came to the audience. I wished he would have done that sooner, because as soon as he did that, he had the audience completely.
And then the next night we went to the Motown show. What did you think of the Motown show?
Motown show, if I had to choose one to go to, I think the Motown one I would choose.
It was so good.
It was so good. The singers were great.
Are they going to do it? Are they going to do it? Yes! Now that was included with our room in the package that I got. I just found it on their website. But I heard people buying tickets to those same shows, and I think the seats were $56. So we got 2 shows.
Which I think is now cheap for Las Vegas.
Probably, yeah. But we got two of those shows for free with this package. Let's talk about dining.
Dining, some of the best sushi I think I've ever had.
I think it is the best sushi I've ever had. It was so good.
And magical. The little environment they have you in. There, we got seated by a waterfall.
Hokey Smokies. That's the Benihana restaurant. Wow. With our package came some food vouchers, and we are going to have dinner here in their like Asian food court. We came across this little bridge to get into the restaurant. And they've got all these little magical meandering pathways through the restaurant that are beautifully themed. Wow. Okay, this is impressive. Look at this little pond down here. Talk about atmosphere. Oh my goodness, what's over here? Wow. Wow. This is the kind of thing we love. There's nothing on the plates yet, and they're already cute. Just like you. Okay, I had no idea we were ordering a Costco size sushi tray. Golly. All right, let's get into it. This roll is called the Las Vegas. It's got pretty much everything on it and a jalapeno, and it's deep fried. Okay. It's a thing of beauty. Come on. Oh, it's so good. And then there was one. The service at Westgate is amazing. Like all the people who were in serving positions in the restaurants and elsewhere were kind and attentive and very helpful. They told us not too big, not too small, but it's looking pretty big to me. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Delicious. And those are Brussels sprouts. Look at that. Okay, we're not going to waste too much time. We're going to eat it.
We're not huge casino goers. We're not huge gamblers. We might take a 20 and that's it. We tap out quickly. We just don't do a lot of that.
Now, we're not really gambly people, but we do like a good theme. Frankenstein.
But some of the casinos we've been in, there's just no customer service. There's no personable people usually that I've experienced. Here it was completely different. They really leaned into their customer service.
What'd you think of the pool?
Standard. I mean, there wasn't anything special about it. It was nice.
The hot tub area was closed when we were there, but the pool was nice. And that's the pool area. And that's our elevator. I want to talk about the timeshare presentation. Now, for our package, the thing we bought it outright. There was no strings attached. We could have just done
our package and not done anything else. But sucker's born every minute. So they offer you in the lobby, there's people standing in the lobby and they say, hey, let's get you some free gifts. And so we know what that's all about. We've done it before. We've done it once before at the Plaza in Las Vegas. Well, I was actually really lost. I don't know if I thought I was at Disneyland or what, and I was getting a magical moment.
Oh, yeah.
But I genuinely thought I was getting a free gift. Yeah. Sucker.
So they are mainly a timeshare company. So it's a hotel. You can check into the hotel like normal hotels, do all the things. But they are a timeshare company, and they want to sell you a timeshare package. And so while we were there, someone in the lobby offered us free gifts. And they said, all you got to do is come down here. It's a 90-minute presentation. So once you get here, it's 90 minutes. If if after 90 minutes you don't want the timeshare package, we'll give you the gifts. All good. The gifts that they offered us were kind of too good to pass up.
Well,
for a 90-minute presentation, they were too good to pass up. Yeah. So they gave us $150 of free play in the casino, and they also gave us a 2-night stay at one of their properties. So an extra stay at one of their properties. So, and I'm wondering if that kind of comes with a timeshare pack thing as well. But so they said show up at 9:30 in the morning. It's going to be an hour and a half, and that's it. Well, it was our 33rd anniversary, so an hour and a half, not too big of a deal.
So we walked in and they called our name. We got a great guy that called us back. They served us breakfast, and the salesman that was selling our timeshare was great. He was doing his job. And then he showed us one of the timeshares. Honestly, I almost bought a timeshare. He was really good.
He was pretty good.
And I don't want to buy a timeshare, but he was that good. And I don't have the money for a timeshare. And I almost bought a timeshare. So no complaints. He was just doing his job. He was trying to make a sale. Had I had to do it all over again, I would have said no right from the beginning, because I did feel like I wasted his time and my time. Because the second person that came up was a lady she was like kind of like the closer, like she was trying to seal the deal. And we got nervous because we had done one of these like 7 years ago. It took us 7 years to forget that time. We didn't remember everything that happened. But when she came in, Chris was like,
I actually said, hey, we've done this kind of thing a long time ago. Is this going to be a whole other thing? Because we're past our 90 minutes. At this point, it was 2 hours. So it had already been past the 90 minutes. And they were both like, oh, no. No, of course not. You know, I'm just here to make sure everything went okay, and we'll get you out of here pretty quick. We were there for 2 more hours. It took 4 hours to get out of that room and get our free gifts. And let me tell you, they put the pressure on. They're good at what they do, and they're trying to sell that timeshare. And that whole time they rang the bell once for somebody that bought into the timeshare while we were there. So here's the thing. Was the thing that they offered us worth 4 hours of our day? No. If I had to do it over again, I wouldn't have accepted those gifts. I would have just enjoyed the resort and gone on my way. But they got us in there, and we were in there for 4 stinking hours, and we lost that time. However, we did get free play at one of the slots machines, so there was no risk. I let Amy play it, and what did we win?
We won $200.
$200. So maybe the 4 hours was worth it.
So it paid for our hotel?
It paid for the hotel with the dining credit, the show package, and all the things. We ended up probably spending about $50 for 2 nights at a really nice resort.
Yeah.
Just be aware, if you're going to the Westgate, they're gonna want to try to get you into that room and get you to buy into that timeshare. But it's a beautiful property, a beautiful resort, fun history, and great shows, delicious food, excellent service, a nice room.
Yeah.
And show the cats.
Yeah. Do we have an Elvis cat?